How to watch old videos or streams on Twitch. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and head over to twitch.tv. Once you land on the landing page, you can just go ahead and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, you can just click on any one of these live channels or search for their username. So let me just search for a random username. Click on it. And as you can see here, this person right here had last stream of 6 hours. So I'm just going to click on their profile. And if I scroll down, I'm able to see all of his previous VODs and clips. So here are some of the highlights. And if you go to videos, you should be able to see different kind of streams. So these are the recent highlights and uploads. These are his recent streams, as well as if you go to all videos, you'll be able to see all videos from their entire career is right here. If they have turned this feature off, you won't be able to see that. So just make sure that they have the feature turned on. You could also see their scheduled stream. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically see old videos and streams of on Twitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.